Well, I'll just get you for a second.
Analog bass resonance tool that's our Little Lab's latest product. Basically how it works is basically like a peaking high pass filter, which allows you to have a very sharp peak that you can sweep between 20 to 300 hertz. And everything below that frequency is completely wiped out at 24 dB per octave. So it basically works like a drum head, in that you can loosen up or tighten up the head, and that's what your signal is going through. That sounds odd, but you really can use it to tune your toms. You had one on each tom, and if the drum set was not tuned properly, you can actually tune the set to sound right. And you can turn a tom, or you can turn a kick drum into a tom. Not that you'd want to do that, but you can also get that super low bottom res, so you can turn a little puffy little kick drum into a double-headed long monster.
Awesome. So this is it right here, the VOG.
The VOG.
And what are these controls here? We've got amplitude
and frequency. It's based on the center frequency of 40, 100, and 200. The center is its frequency that the 5 would be on the dial there. Usually I start with the amplitude all the way up to make it easy to narrow down to the spot that you're looking to resonate. And then I usually back off if it's a little bit insane on the full amplitude. But you start low and you slowly go high, looking for what you're going with. On bass, it's great. It can turn a jazz bass into something that sounds more like a Hofner, or you can get that super low bottom and make it sound like an alembic.
That's very cool. So this is new technology for you here.
It is actually new proprietary Little Labs technology.
That's great. The VOG bass resonance tool.
As usual, we're trying to do something that nobody else does because we don't want to do more of the same.
Well, this was Jonathan Little, and he was taking us through the VOG, his new product. Thanks very much.
No problem.